It is not a joke. Do this and your hair will grow a lot in 15 days. The subject of hair is a subject that concerns not only women, but men as well. The issue has become so important that this industry has become more than multi-million-dollar. Neither women nor men are going to let the health of their hair finish so soon, right? Today we come with a video for hair growth, but in this case we will not talk about a homemade shampoo, but a juice to drink. Long hair is one of the many characteristics that define women, and even forms part of the system that protects our body against damage. This time we bring a simple, yet powerful, treatment or a home remedy that promises to remedy hair loss problems faster than we imagine. This is the best treatment for hair growth of all time, since it will return that mane that never had, or that by some circumstance was losing. But first let's look at the most common causes of hair loss. It is very important to take care of what we eat, since it is directly related to this problem and any other health problem. The taking of some medications causes the involuntary loss of hair. Age is also a very important factor, and as time passes, it shows a lot in our hair, as in other parts of the body. Needless to say, I share this remedy. When you use it, you are going to hallucinate, since the hair will not stop growing. You will see. Ingredients: 1. 2 avocados. 2. 4 green peppers. 3. A little olive oil. 4. A little water. Preparation: 1. Let's prepare the cut of the vegetable. 2. We add all clean ingredients to the blender. 3. Let's drink a glass of this juice every day on an empty stomach. 4. To see results faster, you can drink another glass before going to bed. I ask